Welcome to another video from Creative Academy. In this video, we are going to see about senior secondary portions of NIOS subject history. Let us see the second chapter, the geographical setting and prehistorical cultures of India. So in order to understand the culture or history of any country or region, we should have some knowledge of its geography. The history of people is greatly conditioned by the geography and environmental conditions of a region, including climate, soil types, water resources, and other topographical features. These determine the settlement pattern, population spread, food products, human behavior, and dietary habits of that particular region. When we're speaking geographically, the Indian subcontinent in ancient times included the present day India and its neighboring countries like Bangladesh, Nepal, Bhutan, and Pakistan. The Indian subcontinent is broadly classified into the following regions. They are the Himalayas, the river plains of North India, and peninsular India. First, let us see about the Himalayas. The Himalayas are the world's largest and highest mountain ranges. They are approximately 2,400 kilometers long. In Sanskrit, Himalayas means snow house or abode of snow. These are the mountain ranges separating Indian subcontinent from the Tibetan Plateau, which is the world's largest plateau. These ranges have not only checked major invasions but have also protected us from the cold winds coming from the northern part of the continent. The Himalayas also stop the monsoon winds from the sea, which results in rainfall in the northern plains. In the northwestern directions, the broken Himalayas contain the major routes linking the Indian plains with other western countries of Asia like Iran and Central Asian countries through Afghanistan. These routes pass through the Gomel, Bolan, and Khyber passes. The Greeks, Shakas, Kushanas, Hunas, and many other foreign tribes reached India following these routes. Likewise, Indian elements and Buddhism from India was carried out to Afghanistan and Central Asia through these mountain passes. So the second region is the river plains of North India. The Himalayas has three river systems. They are the Indus, Ganges, and the Brahmaputra. The Indus region comprises Sindh and Punjab, and it is highly irrigated by the tributaries of Indus River. Because of its wheat cultivation and richness of its production, Punjab is known to be the breadbasket of India. The Sindh region comprises lower Indus Valley and the Delta region, where this region developed the urbanized culture called the Harappan culture of India. The Ganges could be understood as three different plains. One, the upper Gangetic plain, comprises the western and southern parts of Uttar Pradesh. The middle Gangetic plain consists of the regions of